Page 40. I like to look at a rainbow. Got triplets here, and we're in the key of D major again. All right, well, that's fine. We'll deal with it. We've had all this before. Let's look it over. It's one page long, treble and bass clef, two sharps in the key signature. We're in the key of D major. You need to go to my scale video on D major and play it, learn it one octave up and down. Do the trill exercise. That's the most important part of that right now, because that helps to train your thumb to do what it needs to do. 4/4 time signature, and we got triplets, quarter notes and stuff. We can deal with that, I hope. Take it one hand at a time and see what we can do with this. In the first measure, the right hand is doing the triplets here. The left hand, see the LH, the left hand is going to play the D. It's going to come over and do that one. So the right hand only does the triplets and the last beat. So it's 1, 2 and or triple, however you want to do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4, 1 and 3. That's pretty much it. The last line, you have a whole note at the beginning of it, and then triplets. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. In my opinion, there's an error in the music there. You see, according to the time signature, every measure needs a certain number of beats in it. Well, if you look at the second measure at the bottom and the top staff, there's only 3 beats in that measure. You got a triplet, a quarter rest, and a triplet. That's 3 beats. They're missing the quarter rest on beat 1, so you can take a pencil and draw in a little quarter rest there in the top staff above the triplets in the left hand. It's similar to what it is at the first measure. You get a quarter rest and then the triplets. That's what it should be down there, a quarter rest and then triplets. Left hand, well, you're down here. It's triplet. And the left hand comes over and does that one note, and then back down here. 1 and 2 and 3. Oh. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Get the idea. Put the hands together, and we're here. 1 and 2 and 3. Since I'm playing this, I'm getting the left hand over. And as I do that note, I get the left hand back, because the beat has to be a steady beat here. 1 and 2 and 3. That's all it is, really. Just look at the last line. You're down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and. Just you take it one beat at a time or one measure at a time, and you work it out. There it comes. Now, once you have the notes, get rid of the hesitations, and then we'll think about the articulation. Which they don't give you any, so it's up to you. However you want to play it. I'm going to suggest you go ahead and connect it. I think a rainbow is fairly smooth. It's not too choppy up there. Just connect it if you can. You want to lift up for the phrasing, then it's about every 2 measures. Just like taking a breath every 2 measures for the phrasing. Technically speaking, when they don't give you anything, it's up to you. I could put in staccatos if I wanted to. You know, but again, I think the overall flavor of this with a rainbow and all is it's more connected. Then the dynamics, MF, mezzo forte. Well, in like any measure like the first measure, similar to it, it's both hands. It's all mezzo, whatever you think moderately loud is. It should sound like one hand played all of it. And then in the next measure, it's, I think it's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. So the left hand is either playing loud like the right hand, or it's playing soft because it's harmony. It's going back and forth. And the last line, the last 2 measures, it's all melody. Play it all out. For the speed, moderato, just whatever feels right, about where I've been going, I think. But the triplets need to be accurate. Huh? So how fast can you be accurate here? Then the interpretation, well, the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You have to feel it. I exaggerate it so you can hear it better, but you just feel these. If you feel a little retardando at the end, if you feel it, put it in. Don't go too much. See, that ruins it if you go too much. Don't slow down, just a little bit. If you feel it. If you don't feel it, don't slow down. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to play both hands about the same. I'm not doing dynamics. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, and go. And 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, off.